Is this thing recording? Is this thing on? Is this thing recording? Is this thing on? What is up, y'all? It is your girl, Cersei, and welcome to another day in the vlog, you guys. What is up, y'all? I'm feeling really, really good. This week has been a week, okay? But today is Friday, September the 12th. We did work yesterday. I got off this morning around... I got off at normal at my normal time. But I didn't make it home until like around like 7:40ish. And then I laid down, well, I cooked me some breakfast. I laid down around like 9 o'clock. And then I had to be back up at 12 because I had to take my sister to run some errands. I didn't get back home until like 2 o'clock. I laid down. It took me a 45-minute nap. I ended up getting back up like around 3:40. Like 3:35, 3:40. And now your girl is dressed and I am about to get ready to go out. To grab Mexican food with somebody that I met. It is currently 4:46. I'm dressed. Well, halfway dressed. I don't have no pants on, but for the most part, I'm pretty much dressed. I was going to take my hair and put it up in this hot pony, but I had put this on to like melt my edges in place, and I like how this look, so we're keeping this on. Now, it do got like the little oil marks from me, like oiling my scalp. I oiled my scalp and then I did my little baby edges, my little baby hairs. And then I was like, nah, this kind of eat. Because the braids are old. The braids is like a month old. Well, almost. It'll be a month on the 15th, on September 15th. But we not taking these braids down until October. Okay? I was going to take them down this week. But my wig did not arrive because I did not order it. So I'm not taking these down until my wig comes. So yeah, this is what your girl got going on. And then I got some black and brown shoes that I'm going to put on. But we're not going to go with this one today. We're just going to go with her. Because she like fit the vibe that I'm going for. You know? I'm going to come back and let y'all know how it went. In the meantime, in the between time, I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here. It's currently 5 o'clock on the dot. I will make it there about 5:22. So, yeah. I'll catch up with y'all later. I'm not going to bring y'all with me just because this ain't that, okay? This ain't that. But I'll let y'all know how it go. So, see y'all when I get back. Checking. Mic 1, 2. Is this thing on? Is this thing recording? Is this thing on? Is this thing recording? What is up, y'all? I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm not sleepy. My body is just hungry and I need a pick me up. Like I need a boost of energy. And I just need like a little boost of energy. But what is up, y'all? Today is the next day. It is Saturday, September the 13th. It is currently 6:53 in the morning and your girl is up. I'm up because I'm supposed to be getting dressed for the gym, but I'm not going to the gym right now. I'm not going to the gym right now. I'm actually about to go grab me an energy drink. That's what I'm about to do. I have coffee, but I don't know. I want an energy drink. I want an energy drink and I want a breakfast sandwich. So, yeah. I said that I was going to tell y'all about the date that I went on yesterday. As far as my relationship, like my life when it comes to like dating, y'all won't get that because this ain't that, okay? But we went out. It was okay. Like it was cool. The food was good. Everything was good. The vibe was good. I feel like we the same person. Like the type of person he is the type of person that I am. So it was kind of like talking to myself, kind of. And I don't know how I feel about that. Everything was pretty much good. I'm about to grab this energy drink, grab me a sausage biscuit. Then I'm going to come back and start cleaning up my place. So I'm going to catch up with y'all in a few minutes. So just stay tuned. Chicken, mic 1, 2. So what is up, y'all? I am back from eating and drinking my energy drink. So your girl got some energy. I'm about to literally get ready to throw my clothes in the washer. We're about to wash a load of clothes. Just coming in here making sure I get all my towels and things.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave. I want you to see it.
All right, y'all. Wait, where's the mic? Check in, 1, 2. What is up, y'all? I'm back home. So I'm about to show y'all all the things that I got. So first thing first, we stopped at Walgreens. I always get my detergent from Walgreens just because Walgreens always have their, well, not always. Walgreens have really good deals when it comes to detergent. They have like the little 26 ounce. You get 4 of those for $9. And this one was $1 off. They didn't have the 4 for $9 or the 3 for $7. The only thing they had was this one. We stopped at Walmart. I got me some chicken and bites crackers because I'm about to make me a salad. And I also got me a Olipop because I've been wanting one of those. We did go to, as y'all saw, we did go to the thrift store, but I didn't bring y'all in there with me just because I'm not comfortable with taking my camera in places. And I don't have my arm band attached. And I didn't want to risk it because this camera is too expensive to be playing. The first thing I got was this Connect Four. I got this Connect Four because tomorrow me and my sisters are supposed to be going to do a picnic. And all the pieces was in here and it was only $2.99. So this will be one of the games that we can play tomorrow. Another thing that I got is this headscarf. This is so cute. I love headscarves. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but it's a headscarf. I know it's gonna eat down. Another thing I got was this little sweater. I like how this look on me. Super cute. I don't know, I'm obsessed with red. This is Old Navy, super thick, so I know it's gonna keep me nice and warm. And another thing I got was these jeans. I went in there looking for fall decoration, but it was all gone. Y'all, they didn't have anything. I got these jeans. Now, they really funny looking, but they look so good on me. They look so good on me now. They not bell bottom, but I really like how they fit. Wow. I really like how they fit. They really look good on me. So, yeah, that's everything that I got from the thrift store. I'm about to make me a bomb salad. When I say I'm about to smash this salad, girl, got everything that I'm gonna need. I'm gonna use, I have some of these chicken breast tenderonis. We got our chicken. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't season. God bless me. Yeah, I'm cutting this onion wrong. Normally I wouldn't cut it like this, but 14 crackers, serving size 14. 12, 13, 14. And boom, y'all, that is my salad. Today is September 20th, y'all. I'm currently about to get ready to do my little baby hairs, put me some mascara on, put me some jewelry on, do my little 1-2 on the face. Okay, I told y'all yesterday that me and my sisters and my nephew, we're doing a picnic today. And I need to go and grab the items that I'm planning on bringing. I want to do these Hawaiian roll sandwiches that my friend told me about this morning. And I also need to get me some groceries for the week. And I was like, since I'm getting ready, I can be recording this because everything is literally content. Now, as far as these braids, y'all, these braids, today is the 20th. I was supposed to take these braids out 5 days ago, but my wig did not come in time. It'll be here Tuesday. I thought it'll be here by today. Well, honestly, yesterday. And I got the notification that it'll be here on Tuesday. So I'm not taking these braids out until I get my wig in my hand and it be everything that I want it to be. I'm probably about to change this shirt just because I feel so uncomfortable. I have on a real bra and I have on a shirt that fits me. And when I tell y'all I don't like it, like I feel so uncomfortable because it's extremely fitty and I don't like clothes that fit me, especially my top area because my boobs, they just big for nothing. Like they just, why, or it just irritates me every time I think about it. Cause why are boobs big? Like why? And I don't like wearing real bras because then you can really see my boobs for what they is. Big for nothing. Big for nothing. Telling y'all, when I get that bag, I'm gonna be unrecognizable in a good way, cause I'm getting everything cut off. Okay. This is what the little fit was gonna be: my Walmart shoes, this shirt, these pants. Okay, so what is up, y'all? I actually decided that we are not about to go to Walmart. I did find another shirt. It's 12:41. Walmart is 20 minutes away from me. If I drive to Walmart, there's 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back. I have to come, I have to prepare the sandwiches, put them in the oven, clean the strawberries, clean the grapes, pack all that stuff up, then go and pick my sisters up. Mind you, my sisters and my nephew and my cousin, because I think he coming, they live 30 minutes away from me. So I have to drive 30 minutes to go pick them up. Then we have to drive, I want to say 15 minutes to the picnic area. That's just doing too much. I'm not doing all that. I'm going to stick with the original plan. The original plan is to go pick my sisters them up. While we are there, we're going to place an order for Domino's, okay? What is up, y'all? We are here at our spot. Oh, it feels so good.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. On me, shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind.